showing you guys some of my slimes. First slime, I've already opened it. It's called Watermelon Ice. I used to have ice in it, but I did not like it. It is a Nickelodeon slime, but it's pink. It's so stretchy. Let me get it out for you. Guys, here's this slime. I have more in there, but I didn't get it all out. But it's pretty sticky, but yeah. So there's that. Another Nickelodeon slime, Unicorn Sparkle. This one's really cool. It's nice and stretchy. It's clear with beads and glittery. Okay guys, next slime, pink with beads. It is stretchy. That one. Here's one, blue with with glitter in it. There's another one, same color as the green one. Next one, this one has beads with something in it, and it's yellow. Another one, same one, but it's pink. This big tub one, it is clear glue. It is glittery. I changed it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. It is so stretchy. I love it. Yeah. Okay guys, bye. I'm about to run out of time. See you guys in the next video.